After I get adjusted, I do better in school and I do better in everything I do. My mom takes us in to get adjusted anytime when we're sick and when we're not sick, and it helps both ways.
Every time I'm feeling sick, my mom takes me in, and when we get adjusted, it just feels a lot better. And I don't have to worry about being sick anymore because I know I can get adjusted and feel a lot better. And after I get adjusted, I feel relieved that I know I don't have to go get shots with bad medicine. I know I can be healthy by getting adjusted, and it feels better. And I do better in sports, soccer. I do better in school, and it just makes me feel better.